What's up, everyone? This is Drew with What's for Dinner, and tonight we're going to be cooking a very simple recipe straight out of the Lodge cast iron book, a skillet full. This is called June's Meatloaf, and this is one of the most simple recipes I've ever seen, and it calls for 3/4 of a pound of ground beef. We're using 3/4 of a pound of ground chuck, a 1/4 pound of ground pork, and this is actually just with some sausage links I cut out of the casing, a 1/2 cup of crushed saltines, 3/4 of a cup of canned tomatoes, and these are actually just red gold. They're actually for chili, and they even have the smell of chili. 1 beaten egg, and just salt and pepper. Super simple recipe. I'm using my cast iron loaf pan today, and if you guys know me, or if you've seen the channel before, you'll know I love Lodge cast iron. Obviously. You could just use a regular loaf pan. I would suggest using this to form it and then putting it on a baking sheet and like dumping it out that way. But this is a cast iron skillet recipe, and we're going with our loaf. And I'll be right back and we'll mix it all up. I have my Lodge cast iron loaf pan here, and I did line it with bacon grease, bacon fat, whatever you want to call it. I've got my oven preheating for 350 degrees, and it's going to go in for about an hour. And I did let the meat and everything incorporate for about 10 minutes in the refrigerator. So we'll be right back.